Safety is everything at Altex Industries.
For the past 20 years,
From the moment we step foot inside of the building,
to when we clock out for the day.
Our goal is to get home safe to our loved ones.
A comprehensive safety program is provided by Altex to ensure the team works together to eliminate occupational illnesses and injuries while delivering quality services.
It's hard work, physically and mentally.
It's demanding.
It's hazardous.
One wrong move and you could get hurt.
each year comes with its challenges, and as a team,
we always make sure that we work through them together to successfully reach our goals.
The goal is going home at the end of the day in the same condition as we did when we showed up to go to work.
Every day as a team, we're on a journey to successfully complete a project while following protocols.
By effectively assessing and controlling workplace hazards and ensuring that the workers have the right tools and training to do their job safely, we prevent and reduce accidents.
Fully understanding the scope of the job and procedures before and during performing a task is crucial. One slip-up can cause an injury and it can create setbacks and jeopardize the whole project.
By not taking anything for granted,
By cooperating as a team,
Not making any excuses,
and by always taking that one extra step to make sure you're safe, no matter how much of a hassle it is. Like clipping your harness in the proper structures, we avoid the accidents that could happen in the workplace.
Every employee at Altex is dedicated to achieving Goal Zero performance. We're all committed to protecting all of our resources, such as our employees, subcontractors, clients, site visitors, equipment, property, and the environment.
We do this by sustaining a mindset that we are all here to help each other out, as well as make safe choices and realize that our lives can change in a split second if we make the wrong choice.
we all make up Altex Industries.
We can lean on one another.
There's so much more to do in the next 20, 30, 40, 50 years to come.
We're not finished yet.
But through all the setbacks and achievements, we're there for one another, cheering everyone on.
that's what makes us not just a team, but a family. So thank you.
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 thank you for staying safe for yourself and for everyone else. Thank you.